Hello everyone, welcome to Math is Fun. Ready to decode data like a pro? Interpreting a line graph help us quickly spot trends, track changes, and uncover patterns over time. Let's turn numbers into insights. Our learning goals. At the end of this session, you can identify the parts of a line graph. You can interpret data shown in a line graph. Let's study the parts of a line graph. The first one is the title. Tells what the graph is all about. Next is the x-axis, usually time or days. Shows the time or categories being measured. The next one is the y-axis. This is usually amounts or value. Shows the numbers or quantities being compared. The next one is scale, the equal intervals on the axis that help us read the values correctly. The last one is the data points and line. The dots show the actual values and the line connects them to show the trend or change over time. Let's study the graph presented. The x-axis shows the days of the week. The y-axis shows the number of books read. Each point represents the number of books read on that day. And lastly, the line shows how the number of books changes over time. After identifying the parts of a line graph, now let's proceed to how to interpret a line graph. First, read the title. Second, check the scale. Third, look at increases and decreases. And lastly, identify patterns or trends. On which day were most books read? What do you think the answer? Alright, the most books were read on Friday with a total of 20 books. Between which days did the number decrease? What do you think the answer? Okay, let's find out. The number of books we read decreased from Tuesday to Wednesday, going from 15 books to 12 books. How many more books were read on Friday than on Monday? Let's find out. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. So, 10 more books were read on Friday than on Monday. What trend do you notice from Wednesday to Friday? What do you think the answer? Alright. From Wednesday to Friday, the number of books read increased steadily each day. And that's it for today's lesson on line graphs. With practice, you'll become more confident in interpreting data and understanding trends. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and fun learning videos.